get into it. So for those of you who remember when I figured out that deer meat, venison, is really good to catch crabs with, this is the same spot I'm going back to now. So we had bulk bait left over from the crabbing mission yesterday. So we chucked them in that afternoon, so today is the next day. So I have just arrived at pot location number 1. Let's go check our luck. Don't know if you can see all the bubbles coming up there, but you probably wouldn't want to go for a swim in here. There's our pot. Try and keep an eye on that spot. Of course, it's stuck on a stick. What do we got? Oh, honey hole number 1. Did catch a crab, but it's under. And I've already got 3 in the esky, so I'm only gonna keep a beauty. Not a bad crab. He probably would go. He'd probably be size, but feels light. We'll let him go. On to pot number 2. All right, here we go, pot number 2. You gotta love mangroves, don't you? Am I the only one that loves this shit? Let me know in the comments. Oh, look at these mullet. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see them? Don't know if the sunnies on the camera trick works or not. I suppose we'll find out. All right, we have a crab, we have 2 crabs, we have 3 crabs, and we're stuck on a stick. Let's get out of this water. Catch you later when you're a bit bigger, eh? All right, so no extra crabs today, so we're just cooking up 3 boys. I don't know how I'm gonna cook them yet. We'll see. Might do the old salt, pepper, garlic, butter one again. Yeah, I'll have a think about it. See who's back at the kitchen.
Later.
All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're gonna cook up 3 mud crabs for you. We're gonna do it 3 different ways, all on the barbecue, so anyone can do it at home. Don't need a big boiler or pot or anything. So first one, we're gonna do the butter, garlic, salt and pepper again, because that was the bomb. Second one, we're gonna do sweet chili mud crab. And the third one, we're gonna do the butter, garlic, salt, pepper and lemon, just to see how that goes. So anyway, we gotta clean these crabs. And here's a few I prepared earlier. So we've got to give them the old and clean all the guts and crap out of them, and we'll be good to go.
Yes, Daddy, you can put some shells in this.
Cool, thank you. Are you gonna help me cook them? Alright, so now we've got all the crabs cleaned and guts removed. You can see why I don't think anyone should cook them whole, but you know, that's completely up to you guys. So now it's time for a beer. We'll start getting them ready. Cheers.
Don't forget to roll up the barbecue.
Don't forget when you clean them in salt water too, not fresh. Rightio boys, now we've got our crabs all nice and clean. It's time to wrap them up in the foil and add all the good shit. So let's do that.
Cheers.
Cheers. There's our first one. All right, we got some melted butter, we got some garlic, and we'll get the salt pepper rub.
Can I tap on the salt pepper rub, please, Daddy?
Good job.
Into here.
Yeah. All right, now it's time for crab number 2. This one is going to be the sweet chili mud crab. So let's get cracking on that. Okay, number 3, salt, pepper, garlic, and lemon. Let's go. Haven't got any fresh stuff, so this is gonna have to do. Sorry, boys. Alright, so now you got 3 crabs all packaged up, ready to go. Time to chuck them in the barbie. It's already preheated. We've got it set to 100 degrees Celsius. I might bump that up a little bit, but that's 200 Fahrenheit, I think, for you American guys. We'll get them chucked in, eh? Okay, time to start the timer. 3, 4 of these, good to go. All right, timer just went off. Let's have a look at them. Oh, that smells good. It's looking pretty good, boys, and smells even better. So we'll get the little taste tester out here and we'll get stuck into them. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on. All right, have a taste. Tell me what you think. You like it?
Almost. A bit good, a bit bad.
Yeah, right. I'll take that. Cool, thanks. All right, you ready for this one? Try that. What do you reckon? No good?
Is this the one with spicy?
It's not spicy.
But does it have, because you put spice on it.
I didn't. Is it good or not?
But you put spice on one of them though. Remember?
Do you like it, Kaylee, or do you not like it?
The same.
Wow. Tough judge. Tough audience. Okay, we'll try this one. Alright guys, so unfortunately the battery went flat in the camera, so we missed the last taste test. But it has been confirmed that the winner and still reigning champion is butter, salt, pepper, garlic. still the winner, still the best. The lemon didn't really do too much. Sorry about the rain, it's blogging down. We got a cyclone off the coast of Cairns brewing, so yay. But anyway, that is the winner. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you out on the water again soon. See ya.